Okay. I'm live again. I just went at 8, and this is my trade recap of what I've done. Okay, so price, right? Market open. I entered quite early, but I shouldn't. But I was quite tilted from back testing, and yeah, I took a trade that I probably should have taken, which was here, and TP was a 1 to 2. Yeah, and it would have stopped me out, and I went to TP. But it's okay. I took another entry and got this 1 to 9. Sadly, I didn't take partials yet. I was waiting for full TP. I did break even, but it's fine. Okay. So price, market opened up, swept into this 1 minute, sweep into this 4 hour fair value gap, if I'm not wrong. Sweep into this 4 hour fair value gap. And then touch this 1 minute inverse fair value gap. Right below the 1 hour gap also. But it was already tapped pre-market, so it's fine. It tapped into this 1 minute inverse fair value gap that was inside of a 4 hour fair value gap, created a rejection area right about here. See this 2 wicks and this 3 wicks, created it and closed below right here. So then my entry was on this candle itself. My stops was right above here, so it was a very tight stop loss because market was opening in like it was quite a tight stop loss because I didn't want to see price going up any higher, and it was 10 contracts, so I was quite skeptical about it, but it's fine. It played out quite decently. My entry was here. I was aiming a 1 to 9. It was CE of this 4 hour bullish fair value gap around CE, and it was also London sessions low, so I was expecting this low to get hit. So I was holding price all the way. I was holding without taking partials at all. And as soon as 10:30 open, I expected market to pump down and then sweep out this London sessions low. But guess what? Market decided not to sweep out London sessions low and just pump the straight up, bro. Like what in the McChicken McFlurry is this, bro? Like I don't get this, bro. It just pumped out, broke me even, and then stopped me out. And I have a daily trade limit, so I couldn't re-entry. And I probably wasn't planning to until I saw this rejection block get broken, which would have been a good entry, honestly, if I could entry. A little bit here. Aim 1 to 2. Yeah, aim the same thing. And yeah, it would have been great. But I guess, unfortunately not. Because market decided not to sweep out. It didn't even touch. It didn't even wick into the flipping 4 hour bearish, 4 hour bullish fair value gap. It literally just went up. It didn't even wick into it, bro. Like what? I don't even think it wicked into it. It literally didn't even wick into it, bro. Like what the heck? So I was quite unhappy about it, but it's fine. So I broke even, 10 cents profit. I'm at 888. That's crazy, but it's okay. So it's a break even day with 10 cents to my day. I'm missing about $1,112. Yeah, it's fine. I'll hit it eventually. I think I'll be moving back to my IFVG trades because on backtesting, this strategy hasn't been doing justice for me. It was like dying actually. I think it might be me, but when I backtest it again, right? At first, February, no, March and April was supposed to be amazing months. This is the IFVG, which you can see is going quite decently. But for the other one, which is the rejection block thread, it was good for like the first month. It was good for the first month. Then on the second month onwards, it just started like dying out. But then for some reason, it's still quite decent. It's quite good for this month. It was supposed to be a win on Jan and Feb when I backtested, but when I backtested, I backtested March, it was supposed to be win. If not, then with April, it's supposed to be win. But both of them, apparently those winning months were somewhat losing months. I think I was either trading wrongly or this strategy is just not consistent and I took the wrong setups. So I think I need to really figure out the concentrated points of liquidity that is to be swept. Okay, but it's fine, no problem here. I'll work on this strat if it could work out better, but I think this strat is only profitable if you aim high RRs, because if you don't aim high RRs, it kind of sucks. But it's okay. Oh, but I don't understand. This was such a good area of liquidity to get swept at, bro. Why didn't it just sweep immediately? Why did it go up first? That makes no sense, bro. There had to be some sort of manipulation, bro. Someone effed this shit up. Someone literally effed this shit up, bro. How could they F up such a good trading day? It was literally so clean. And for some reason, this strategy always loses on Thursday. Like, I've tested it, and every Thursday I've just lost. Almost every Thursday. April I won once, then lose. Yeah, in January I won once. It's crazy. I don't get these days, bro. What is all this BS? Over risking? Maybe not, but like, come on. It's terrible, bro. Terrible trades. I don't understand. How could these months be that bad? It's good. Maybe I need to start trading later for this strategy. But if I did, then I wouldn't have gotten this entry. I mean, if I started trading at 10:30, then this would have been my entry, and I guess I would have won. I'll figure that out some way, somehow. I'm gonna focus on my IFVG strat first, though, since this is how my rejection block is playing out badly. So anyways, once again, price. My trade idea for today is that all these LRs felt like it has to be taken out. It did get taken out partially, but there's still some left. And then this main draw on liquidity, which is a 4-hour bullish gap, should have been touched. So price swept out when market open at 9:30, pre-market open, went up to this 4-hour bearish fair value gap and tapped the 1 minute BPR, which is 2 overlapping fair value gaps, 1 minute inverse, and then showed me a rejection area. Broke past it and I took my entry. Stops at the high. It was a very tight SL, so it was fine of me taking that risk. I aimed at 1-9. It went to like 1-. It didn't even touch it, but it went to pretty much essentially 1-7, and then just flipped up when the market opened. So I was quite upset I didn't take profits, because then I would have been like $500 richer and I wouldn't really need to bother so much, but fine. So then I could pass it faster, but it's okay. It's okay. A little bit tilting. Just a little bit tilting. I'm glad I put the daily trade limit, because if not, I was actually planning to buy here out of reach. But then obviously I probably might have lost. Might have.